Mommy and Daddy, I've seen how the Lord has continually blessed you guys for years. You've accomplished a lot and raised me and my very smart, talented na mga kapatid very well. And nagawa niyo to lahat without a college degree. That's why I've grown up knowing that a degree is not a requirement for success. What's important is hard work, perseverance, and faith in God. I know this as a fact because I saw it with my own two eyes growing up. I saw both of your struggles, sacrifices, and your daily prayers for our future. No one can deny you've put in a lot of work. Isa sa pinakatumatak sa akin na teachings mo, Daddy, is to never be afraid to fail or kung sa business malugi. Because when you fail, you learn, and the money, effort, or other things invested on what you did are your tuition fee for the lessons you've gained. And Mommy, sa mga turo mo sa akin to always be prepared, to save and be ready for surprises, to differentiate the wants from the needs. But the greatest thing that you've ever taught me both is to always seek God and to always make time for Him and serve Him. Itong part na to has led me to a lot of happiness, blessings, and has allowed me to do things that I could only dream about in the past. Actually, if you didn't lead me to Christ, di kami magmi-meet ni Aiko and all of us wouldn't be here tonight. Thank you for believing in me and never giving up on me kahit na sobrang stubborn ko. All the things you've taught me plays a major role on who I am today, how I think, and what I do every day. I promise to always keep in mind all those lessons and I pray to God na bigyan kayo ng strength and super long life para makalaro nyo pa yung mga apo nyo sa tuhod. At kung meron man akong special request to God on my wedding day, is that I pray that I can become a great parent as you both are to me and my siblings. I love you, Mommy and Daddy. I'm really proud to be your son.
Mommy and Daddy, thank you for your love and sacrifices. To my stage mom and my #1 supporter, thank you for always being there. Sa bawat recital, sa bawat school event, you were always there. Salamat po sa walang sawang pagising sa akin tuwing umaga at sa paghihintay tuwing gabi sa pag-uwi ko. Most of all, thank you for never giving up. In spite of all the challenges we've faced, you have remained strong and positive. At sa pinakamabait na lalaking nakilala ko, Dad, thank you for never failing to provide even if it means being apart from us. Hindi man na tayo nagkita for 18 years, marami mga nagbago sa tagal ng panahon. I hope, alam mo, na hindi magbabago ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo. As I always say, I'm looking forward to seeing you again. I miss you. We miss you. To the both of you, thank you for leading me to Christ and for setting as great examples of serving the Lord faithfully and with enthusiasm. Again, maraming salamat po. You both have sacrificed many precious moments in your lives just to provide and to make us happy. I hope to be able to repay you in this lifetime. I will forever be grateful that God gave you both to me as parents. Di man tayo magkakasama ngayon, but I'm sure one day we will, in God's perfect timing. I love you, and I pray that God would continually bless you and strengthen you.